Welcome back viewers to our channel. If you are getting the problem on your Sun TV, direct no channels installed, please scan first. So your scanning does not work for you. How you can fix this problem, I will tell you. So hope you like this video and you need to follow some simple steps that help you to Sun direct no channel install problem. I hope you share this video and follow some simple steps that will help you to fix this problem and keep sharing and support our channel. Let's start this video. If you are getting the same problem as I am getting, so how you can fix this problem, I will tell you. There are numerous ways you can use to fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. So first method is that this problem probably arises due to the scanning. You can auto scan and auto scan is adding or removing channel on its own. So see, you manually can set which one you have, and it will also help to fix this problem. So you make sure you try to scan your channels, and if this method does not work, try to disable the auto update channels feature within the digital channel search menu. So if you are getting this problem, then the main reason of this problem is the auto update. So if your channel got updated automatically, then you need to disable this feature, and it will help you to fix this problem. And if your problem not getting fixed from this problem this method, then the problem is within your HDMI cable. So check your HDMI cable that it is in a good condition or not, and if the HDMI cable is in a good condition, and try to connect it again and make sure your connection is not loose. And after check that after try a different HDMI cable, because sometimes there is some error with some cable that they does not support your smart TV, then this problem arises. Make sure you use any different HDMI cable that will help you to fix this problem. And there are multiple HDMI ports, and try out different ports. If none of them works, some of them will work for you, I hope, and your problem will be solved. Hope you got valuable information and keep supporting our channel Zero to Infinity.